Hey there friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 10th day of the 12 days of baked goods, and today we are doing the gingerbread cookie bars. As always, everything you're gonna need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this recipe. We're gonna start by getting our melted butter, add that to a clean bowl, then add in your molasses, your vanilla extract, brown sugar, granulated sugar, and combine that all well. Just give this a good mix for a couple minutes. Don't forget to get your spatula and scrape your bowl. And then we're going to add 1 egg and mix this together. Move that aside, and then we're going to get our dry ingredients. So to our flour, we're going to add our allspice, cinnamon, salt, ginger, and baking soda, and give this a good whisk. Bring back your butter molasses mixture and pour half of your flour into that and mix it all together. Add the other half and then mix this again. Just make sure everything is well combined and just give it a couple minutes to mix. Scrape your bowl again, make sure you incorporate all your ingredients very well. Then in a quarter sheet pan with some parchment paper, I'm going to pour out the cookie dough, and with an offset spatula, I'm just going to evenly distribute this. You can also use your hand for this portion. Go ahead and set your oven to 350 degrees as well. This will bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or longer depending on your oven. Once it's done and cooled, I'm going to cut off these edges just so that I can get a flat cookie surface. And then I'm going to be decorating this with some cream cheese frosting and sprinkles. I will leave my recipe down below for the cream cheese if you'd like to use that, or use any recipe you'd like. So I'm just going to frost the top of this. This part's really fun. I love decorating, so I can spend literally hours here just frosting cake, cookies, or anything. Once your cookie bars are completely covered, it's time to decorate. At this point, you can do anything you'd like. I'm just gonna be doing a mix of sprinkles on there. So it's got some gingerbread men, some candy canes, some pearls, just everything and anything I can find. Once you're done with the decorations, just cut it up and then serve it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, stay sweet.